everyone, my name is Lian and welcome to my channel. Now today is a very exciting one because we have another shoes to unbox today, and these are Converse, another purple Converse, and one original superstar shoes, which is Adidas store. Are you excited? So I am very excited now, and before that we are going to before I will show you guys my shoes. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please click that subscribe button, and then comment naman dyan below if you want me to do something or anything. Yes, so guys, thank you so much for coming back into my channel, and watch out for more unboxing kasi there will be more of that, and I will also review some type beauty products and everything about here in Thailand. So click that subscribe button and the notification bell so that whenever I will upload a new video, you will see it first. Alright, so are you now excited to see the shoes? But first, I have another shoes here. This one, the story of this is I've posted in my Facebook page. There is a Lian News. In that page, I'm selling shoes, and I've posted the purple Converse shoes, and then one of my friends sent me a message and she said she want one as well. So I got one for her, and the shoes is here right now. We'll show you again. So are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! So this one is Converse. So that one, it is the arrow and the star. Just like this, guys. Okay, so now this one here is size 6. It is this one is 36.5 Europe, and in UK it is 4. It's windy. I hope you cannot hear that. Can you? Well, anyways, so when you open the box, you will see this one. Yeah. Here, that, and so these coverings here, and the shoes. If you can see in my previous video, this is a look-alike. This is not the same shoes, but this is the look-alike. So yes, so baka isipin nyo binabalik ko yung mga pinapakita ko sa inyong lahat. So now I will not focus on this anymore because you have seen the same size, the same shapes, and the same design of these Converse shoes already. And this one's color purple, and many of my friends like this so much. That's why they ordered another one from me. So now I will just yeah, so this one is another one. So now I will just put it back because you have seen that one already in my previous video. So I have another shoes here that I think these ones, we were waiting for these shoes to be on sale kasi mahal talaga ang superstar shoes. Kasi ang superstar shoes is mahal talaga, abot ng mga 2,000 plus or sometimes 3,000 plus, something like that. So hinintay namin na mag-sale kasi at saka ito, nung nag-sale, kinuha na namin agad kahit wala pang nag-order nito. So ito yung Adidas. So, and this one is the box. The box is still very ano pa siya, hindi siya sira. So ayan. So this is it. So you wanna see the real shoes now. So the shoes that we've ordered is these shoes. It is a superstar. You can see red already. It is red. Yeah, it is. This one is Scarlet. White and Scarlet. So if you're gonna feel it, yes, this one is yes, it is smooth. The edge is smooth. I mean the side smooth, and look at that. Here the red one is, the color is really Scarlet. Scarlet is very red, and if you're gonna look inside, it's like that. Yes. And this one is made in Indonesia. It is made in Indonesia, and it has a code. It has a barcode. It has, well, the barcode is just to show you that this one is really original. If you're gonna scan it, so this is it. Okay. Ayan siya, guys. So, ayan siya. Look. Yung ano talaga. Inaamoy ko yung bagong shoes. Ano bang amoy? Wala naman. Hindi naman siya. So, pag ma-feel mo, meron naman siyang cushion sa loob. Hindi siya, so maganda siya. Ayan. At saka, ito yun. Tsaka makikita mo, meron siyang Adidas na, dito sa sole. Ito yung sole niya. Ayan. Meron kang makikita ng Adidas dyan. Yes, that's where you can see Adidas. But this one will not fit me because this one has no owner yet. And paunahan na kung sino magkakagusto nito. Kasi ipopost ko to sa page, sa business page ko doon sa Lian's Nook. Kasi ibibenta ko to. Nagbenta ko ng shoes. Okay, so ayan. So, makikita nyo guys, meron siyang tag. Yung tag nito is originally 3,500 baht. 3,500 baht. In pesos, this is around 5,000. Around 5,000 pesos. So, hindi talaga siya basta-basta guys. Hindi siya mura. So, ayan. Ayan siya. Maganda na siya. But, and there's also another extra of the shoelace. And, yes. Made in Indonesia. Tingnan natin. Kasi hindi ito magkasya sa akin eh. Kasi I'm size 38 and this is only 37 and a half. Alright guys, so balik kayo ulit dito sa channel ko at makikita nyo, mag-unbox pa ako ng marami pang mga shoes na binibenta ko. So dito ay makikita nyo yung mga shoes na binibenta ko sa Facebook page ko. Guys, thank you so much. At kung gusto nyo i-follow yung page na binibentahan ko dito, ang pangalan po ng page is Lian's Nook dyan sa Facebook. I-search nyo lang at ayan. Wala pang Instagram yung Lian's Nook, but soon. So kasi pa konti-konti pa lang yung binabenta ko. The classic one talaga nito is yung stripe niya is black and white only. The stripe, but this one is red, and so that's why this one is love. Gusto natin yan. May mga ganitong accent na red. Right? Hindi ba sana naririnig niyo ako, no? Kasi mahina yung boses ko na But anyways, guys, come back for more unboxing video here in my channel. And also guys, I will try more on Thai products in Scarlet. And also soon na baka mag-giveaway ako ng shoes. Soon lang. Okay, soon.